Hello my friends, Enrique here, and today I'm going to show you how to get faster upload and download speeds in Windows 10. One of the first things that we can do is to change the bandwidth limit in Windows 10. Windows 10 uses a certain amount of bandwidth to download updates in the background. And if it uses too much of this bandwidth, your download speeds can suffer. I'm going to show you how to change them. You want to click into the Startup menu, go into Settings, and in here go into Update and Security, Advanced Options, click on Delivery Optimization, and inside of here you want to go into the Advanced Options once more. You want to click into the percentage and limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates. You can click both of them and you want to reduce this number by some. For example, you can leave it all the way down to 5% or limit it only to 20. A second thing that you can do is to close some apps that use too much bandwidth. And to make this, open once more the Settings menu, go into Network and Internet, and in here you want to click into Data Usage. Normally you are going to see here the apps and programs that are using most of your internet, and what you can do is you can disable it, uninstall it if you are not using it, or anything like that. For the third one, also go again into the Settings menu, and you want to go into Network and Internet once more, go into Properties, and you want to be sure that metered connection is disabled if you don't have a metered connection on your home. This can also limit your download speeds. And at last, but not less important, is again into the Settings menu, enter into the Privacy option, and on the left side scroll down until you find this background app. Click on it, and here you're going to see all the apps that can be running in the background. You can click right here to turn all the background apps off of running, so they are not going to be running anymore on your computer, or you can simply right here choose the ones that you have to have running or not. That is pretty much. I hope that this has helped you to achieve faster download and upload speeds on your internet connection. Thanks for watching my friends. If you have any questions, write it on the comments down below. I'm always trying to answer you all and to help you all. Like the video if you enjoy it and if you find it useful, and a subscriber is always welcome. Thanks for watching my friends, and like always, see you on the next time. Bye bye.